Hello, this is Windows 11 and in this video I want to show you how you can install new fonts for your system and use them in few steps. You need to find some fonts from internet or from local disk and copy them to your PC. For example, I want to download some fonts from internet, so I use my browser to connect to internet and I will go to Google. Okay, I will search for example, free fonts, or if you would like, you can buy uh, other fonts. There are many sites you can find your fonts. For example, I open this website, free fonts. Okay, let's search for free fonts from here and filter free fonts. And I will download one of these fonts. You can use one of them, or if you know the font name you can search in Google and download it. Okay, I download this font and I will copy it to desktop. For example, I have downloaded previously, so you can download it to desktop, and I have this font here. As you can see, it's a compressed zip file, so I need to extract the file. To extract, I right click on this zip file and use extract all. Okay, you choose the destination, and as you can see, it will create a folder with my font. If I open this folder, I can see a file with TTF extension. Fonts are usually with TTF extensions, so I need to copy this font, and to install this font you can copy it to into font folder. I go to control panel and find fonts folder, it's here, and just paste the font here. It's installing font, and now I can use this font in my PC. Another way to install the font is to double click on the font TTF file and just press install. As you can see, it is already installed, so I don't need to install it again and I can use the font. These are easy ways to install fonts and work with them. If you need to find the folder of your fonts, you can go to C drive, open Windows, and you can see fonts folder here. And if you open this folder, you can see again list of fonts you have installed previously. If you want to delete a font, you can simply right click and choose delete to remove the font from your system. Thanks for watching this video.